sir, for giving me this opportunity to join your session. Okay, because as you know that for long time I was waiting for this session. So so I'm very happy to connect with you at this time. So I'm not able to express my happiness in my words actually. Okay. So thank you so much. I'm also feeling the same. I'm also very happy and glad to have you here. And there was some timing issue. So that why we connect. Yes. Okay. So yeah, I know. Yes. So Shabnam, before diving into the conversation, could you please introduce yourself? I want to know about you. Yeah, sure. As you know, then my name is Shabnam. Basically, I'm from Bihar, but currently I live in Delhi. Currently, I'm working as a teacher at a school. Apart from this, I'm pursuing my PhD from Delhi University. Okay. And also, I'm an academic counselor in IGNOU. Okay. Yeah, this is all about me. Thank you so much. Great. Okay, how about you? Yeah, do you want my introduction? Yeah, little bit. As I have already known about you, but yeah, if you can give. Okay, definitely. So as you know, my name is Usha, and basically I'm from Java, Rajasthan. But after getting married, I shifted to Ahmedabad, and I hold a master's degree in commerce. Currently, I'm a homemaker. Simultaneously, I run a YouTube channel by the name of Minute to Fluent, where I just upload English-related content. And if I talk about my hobbies, I love sketching, dancing, and playing badminton. But recently, I'm totally immersed in this language. So, reading books and listening to conversation videos, talking with my co learners, these have become my habits and hobbies, you can say. So, that's a brief overview about me. Yeah, it's a very nice introduction, I would say. And when I watch so many videos, I stumble upon your videos. Okay, and at that time you connected to Sunita ma'am. Sunita ma'am, right? Sumit. Yeah, Santa ma'am. Yeah, you are right. Santa ma'am. Yeah, and I watched you there, and at that time I thought that in future maybe I'll also connect to you. Okay. But as you know that I'm so busy nowadays, so I don't have that much time to connect to anyone. Actually, I also run a YouTube channel only to improve my communication. Yes. So, which type of content you upload there? It's just like you, English content. Actually, this is my first conversational video. Okay. Earlier, I sent message to Menu Puri ma'am and Deepika ma'am, but due to lack of time, yes, we didn't connect. Yeah, but luckily, this is my first online, I can say, online talk to you. Yes. So, are you feeling that? So, thank you so much again. Excited? Yeah, that's why I'm very excited to connect to you actually. Yeah. Yes. Actually, I'm asking, are you feeling nervous or excited? No. I'm not feeling nervous. I'm excited. So because at least I would quality to you to have that confidence. Because when I had my first conversation, I wasn't confident that time. I was shivering. I was not able to introduce myself. But slowly and gradually, after talking so many YouTubers, I have gained that confidence. So now I can say I can converse with anyone. Yes. Now you are looking too confident. I saw so many videos of you, and I saw that you are so confident now, and your voice is actually at first. I want to give you some compliment to you. You are so beautiful. Thank you. Okay, and the second thing is your voice is so nice. I'm impressed a lot to hear your voice.
Thank you so much for the compliment. I'm very glad to hear from some other co-learner. It is very good for me. Someone is praising me for my confidence and my voice. You are also so beautiful, I would say.
Thank you so much. But I'm not that much beautiful. But yeah, I feel that if God creates anything, that is good and nice.
Everyone has,
In my opinion,
has different
yeah,
ways. And
everything and everyone is very beautiful in their own way.
Yes, right.
It's my perception.
Definitely, it's true. Okay, Shabnam. So I want to know about how long have you been learning this journey, and why did you start? Yes.
Yeah, it's a very nice question actually. Earlier you teach. Actually, as you know that I'm a teacher. Okay, so I have been teaching at a school for 6 years. But I didn't think about clear my NET exam. Okay, I cleared my MA earlier, but I didn't think about I have to clear my NET and I have to think about college also. But once in my mind, it's clicked that I have to think about it, and then I started my NET preparation. Okay, and I cleared my NET 2 times.
Okay.
After that, I got enrolled in PhD in Delhi University recently. So I felt very happy at that time, and I thought that now I have to work on my communication because earlier my communication was not like that, like this.
Yes.
Okay. At that time, I was not able to utter any sentence. Yeah, I was able to utter sentences, but I had lack of confidence.
Yes.
At that time, so much nervous at that time when I talked to anyone, and my sentence was not completed. We were talking to someone.
Yes.
Yeah. So yeah, this was actually this is the main reason to work on my communication, and it's been not very long time. It's been, I can say, I installed Ace Fluency app actually in February or August. Yeah, August 2024.
Okay.
Or no, it's not August. February to in February, I watched videos. Okay, so I stumbled upon English with Dehati madam videos, and I watched that videos, and I saw, oh, this type of things is also going nowadays.
Yes.
On YouTube. So this is the best way to improve my communication. So I searched so many conversational videos, and I saw so many videos like Sunita ma'am videos and Karishma ma'am videos, because nowadays these are very popular YouTubers to improve our communication, and Rajni ma'am these. So at that time I thought that, oh, I can also improve my communication. So I started to watch those videos on the daily basis. Earlier, I was not a consistent learner, but nowadays I am able to connect every day on the Ace Fluency app, at least one people. This is the reason that at this time I am looking so confident.
Yes.
But I am not that much confident, but yeah, I am not feeling nervous. Earlier, I was not confident.
But it will.
But I think that this is the time to
learn gradually because we are on our initial time, and initial time it
Yeah.
happens with everyone. We feel nervous, hesitate, and fear. So it will overcome after 6 months, after 7 months, because we are doing practice daily. But if we will stop in between, if we will quit, and after that we will start, so it will take time to again get that confidence.
Yeah, 100%.
So break, we
100%.
can't afford breaks. If we are
Yeah.
we have started our journey, so we should continue. So it's been, I think, 1
Yeah.
year you are doing this, right?
No, it's not been 1 year. Actually, from February. Okay, I got enrolled in PhD in February. So at that time, I thought that now I have to work on my communication also. So I started to watch videos, and as you know that we don't have that much environment to improve our communication, because everywhere your mother tongue learner are there, okay, in your family and everywhere. Actually, my school is also in Hindi medium. I studied in Hindi medium also. So these are reasons to not able to. I was not able to speak in English at that time. But yeah, I heard about Ace Fluency app, and one of more app. I installed both, but I started to connect with people on Ace Fluency app in August, 2nd August. Okay, and after that, but at that time I was not a consistent learner, because sometimes I connected to people one day, and after that, 5 days, 5 days after I connect to someone. So I was not consistent. That's why I someday I feel more confident, and next day when I didn't connect with anyone, at that time I felt nervous. I thought that I'm not able to speak any sentences, and I'm not feeling that much confidence to connect anyone. But nowadays, like you can say 15 days, I connect
Yes. It's been
on
just
the daily
15 days you
basis.
are speaking continuously, right?
Continuously, yeah.
That's a good. You have improved a lot. I can see. Hmm. And you are speaking
Yeah,
very
and
good English.
yeah, and my goal is to overcome on this language within 1 month. That's why I'm watching so many videos nowadays, like at least 2 videos. Okay, but I don't know. But yeah, I think that we have some strong goal. If you have a strong goal,
You
then
should have
your drive
goals,
is
but let
working
me
on
suggest you
that.
one thing. Like you have deadline. You have set deadline for your one month, but don't take it like a burden. Just
Yeah,
enjoy
yeah, I
it
know.
step by step, small step. Even if you are improving 1%, that is good. But you will say, even in 1 month I will be fluent. That is not possible, because it is
Yeah,
never
I know.
ending journey and it will take time. We can see many YouTubers like Rajni Verma, Karishma ma'am, just you are talking. So they have taken 2 to 3 years to get that level. And if you are thinking in 1 month you will get that result, so we will quit in between
Yeah.
if you will not get that result and you have already set that deadline, and you will take it like a burden. No, I have to watch this. I want, because my deadline is there and I want to complete it. So you will quit. But if you will enjoy simultaneously, yes, I'm not saying just take it lightly. Do practices, make like speaking, reading, anything you can do, but enjoy also. Don't, like I said, don't take it like a burden. Yes.
Yeah, I know that, because I am enjoying a lot. Okay, actually, I have some problem that I have to take classes to undergraduate students, and at that moment I have to deliver my lecture in English only.
Okay.
So this is the reason. I know learning is a never-ending process,
Yes.
and we have to do a lot of efforts. And at the end, I can say, because new words are coming. I know, but yeah, I thought my goal is to at least overcome on that level, like at least normal English I can speak properly.
Definitely, you can level up
Yeah.
your skill, but you can't be fluent. Totally, don't depend on that. Yes, you can improve. After 1 month, you can see improvement. How much you have improved. But if you will see, oh, what I decided, I didn't get it, so you will quit. And don't do that. I will suggest you, don't, never do that.
I'm not that type of person
Yes.
who quit,
Yes, yes,
because I have strong. determination to do anything.
Yes, but I am talking about people.
Maybe
If they have fixed mindset,
Yeah.
this month if I will get that result, so I will continue. Otherwise, I will quit. So that will not.
No.
Yes.
No, actually, my area is like that. I have to. It's my compulsion to speak in English, so I don't have any choice. I have to work on that anyhow.
Definitely, you can practice. You can put your efforts. 100% you can put, but don't felt like oh, in the end I didn't get that. Yes. Don't say.
Okay. Thank you for suggestion.
And as you said, you are
Okay.
teaching in a school. So which subject do you teach?
English. It's
Okay.
in English.
So
That's why I'm saying that
language for
it's
you.
my compulsion to speak in English
Yes. Okay.
now. Because nowadays I have to teach the students of undergraduate students.
Okay, so that's great. So, do you get environment there in your school to speak with teachers and students, or you are teaching as a subject?
No, as I told you that I'm an English teacher, but as I've already told you that I studied in Hindi medium. My school is in Hindi medium, and the students are not able to understand English. But nowadays, I started one thing that I speak it to those students. Okay, I teach them in English, but at the time, some nowadays, gradually they understand my teaching in English. But yeah, whenever any students not able to understand my teaching in English, then I again translate it into Hindi and I let them understand, make them understand.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So, like we can see nowadays, like in schools, many teachers and we say we are in English medium. Although I am from
Okay.
medium, but people say we are in English we are from English medium, but still we are struggling with this language. So, what do you think? What changes we can bring to schools or society to learning English easier? Because we can see
Yeah.
private schools private schools I can say they are evolving there, like they speak students with English and teachers, but many schools I have seen there they just teach as a subject. They are not improving on their learning English to speak in English. So what do you think about that?
Yeah, it's a very nice question actually. Yeah. In this area, I'm also nowadays I'm also thinking that actually nowadays everybody in school everybody think that English is they take English as a subject. This is the main reason to not learn this language. Okay, so we have to teach the students English as a language, not as a subject,
Yes.
and try to speak in English to the students.
Yes, right.
But I saw that nobody is able to speak in English in government school actually. Okay, and my school is government school. And yeah, in private schools also, I saw that only teachers teach the students in Hindi. Okay, as it's an English medium school. Okay, but they don't speak English. Okay, in school also.
Yes.
This is the main reason. So I think that we have to take English as a language, not as a subject,
Yes.
so that we can improve a lot in school also.
Yes, and we can do one thing like for one class we can do for only English speaking. So it will be a compulsion for students, like they have to speak in English. So we can get their ideas, their creative minds will come over. Okay, it is compulsion and we have to speak in English. Even we can't do for whole day like for 8 hours of schools, but one period we can do for half an hour, like they have to speak in English. So these activities we can do in English in schools, so they can focus.
Yeah,
Yes. What do you think?
it's a great idea.
Yeah.
It's a great idea actually, because nowadays I am doing one thing that nowadays I started to speak in English to some students. Actually, some students are willing to learn this language. So I told them that you speak only in English to me, and if you make any mistakes, I will correct you.
Definitely. Yes. And they can
So
learn
these are
from
good
only
nowadays.
school because at that time they don't have any fear to make judgment and hesitant. They can learn because every student will make mistake and teacher is there to correct them. So yes, school is a very, I can say, good platform to learn this language. Yes.
Yeah, 100%.
Yes. Okay. So do you have
So
any questions for me?
yeah. Uh, yeah, one questions I have, like as you told me that you hold your master's degree in commerce, okay? So and are you were you teaching earlier?
Yes, before marriage I was a teacher, but now I'm a homemaker.
Okay. So what do you think now? You will start to teach in school?
Actually, we can't predict future, but right now, like I have started my YouTube channel. So let's see where if I will able to conduct online session in future after
Yeah,
3 to 4 years when I will feel comfortable with this language. So if I will get opportunity, so I will not miss. I can say
yeah, yeah, nice.
yes.
So
Okay. Any other question? Okay, I want to ask like right now, what practice do you do for learning English?
nowadays, I'm only watching videos, conversational videos,
Okay.
and some lectures. I also sometimes. Actually, I'm unable to recall which type of what type of lecture, but yeah, most of the conversational videos I watch nowadays, and try to speak at least one people in a day on fluency.
Yes, that's a good.
Yeah, this is
Because
only.
don't skip speaking part. Listening and speaking
Yeah.
is must, I would say.
Maybe in future I'll connect again
Yes, yes,
to you.
we will connect. Okay.
Yeah.
Namna, any other question do you have, or we can wrap up this session?
Yeah. Yeah, because now I have to leave for school.
Okay, okay. No, no issue. Okay.
Yeah.
So thank you so
So,
much.
Harsha, thank you so much.
Yes.
Yeah, same